An overview of nature-inspired metaheuristics by Sumit Gulati. Metaheuristics play a crucial role in optimization problem-solving by providing flexible and efficient approaches that can adapt to various complex scenarios. These algorithms, which are general problem-solving strategies, have become increasingly essential in tackling real-world problems where finding an exact solution is often impractical or computationally infeasible. Nature-inspired metaheuristics, in particular, derive inspiration from natural phenomena and the collective behaviors of living organisms, offering innovative solutions that mimic the adaptability and robustness found in nature. Their potential to knock an evenness between exploration and exploitation makes them particularly effective in addressing optimization challenges across diverse realms, including finance, engineering, logistics, and artificial intelligence. Nature-inspired metaheuristics thus stand out as invaluable tools in addressing complex problems where traditional algorithms may fall short, providing a versatile and powerful toolkit for researchers and practitioners alike. Within this chapter, we have presented a succinct overview delving into the realm of nature-inspired metaheuristics. These computational paradigms draw inspiration from the intricate and adaptive systems observed in the natural world. By encapsulating the essence of biological, ecological, and behavioral phenomena, these metaheuristics offer innovative problem-solving approaches that showcase the versatility and efficiency inherent in nature. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.